Oh, we got it on camera, the first crash on the first bike on the first day.
Well, I didn't actually crash.
Wow. I'm going to say you did.
That's what happened on the top there.
Oh, thanks. Fuck. Yep. Now my boots are wet and I'm covered in shit. Yeah, sick. You fell over.
I didn't fall over.
You fell over. G'day guys. We're testing out, we're doing a review on the standard tyres that come with the CRF450 RL. This is them, I'll show you a quick look. Don't even know what brand they are, but look at the tread pattern. Problem with these tyres are, they're rubbish anywhere that's not on the bitumen or a gravel road. So they need to be swapped out quick smart. And it's gone over 3 times. Because of the top. Wow, maybe it's not the tyres, maybe it's the rider, we don't know. What do you got to say about that?
It's the tyres. It's 100% the tyres.
100.
Yeah, so brand new CRF. Tried the tyres in some pretty slippery ground just up this track here. The DRZ behind me with its tyres, it was done great through there. Johnny done well. I jumped on with these, you know, half road, half dirt tyres. Absolute rubbish. I've never had that much trouble in my life. As you can see from this video here,
I got it on camera, I think.
Quite a few times.
Oh no, he's...
Yeah, I didn't see it coming. But, good fun.
I saw it coming, it was funny to watch. Carry on.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. First thing to do when you get this bike, when you pick it up from the dealership, get other tyres and change them straight away. They're not worth keeping on.
So yeah, that was our take on the standard tyres on the CRF450 RL. Not the greatest things in the world. They'll get you moving from A to B, but that's about it. Want to replace them pretty quick. We'll leave you now with some footage. This is the track that we found. Pretty cool little track. Just got a little bit hairy in some spots, so we'll just leave this run for a couple of minutes and enjoy the footage. Well, I went that way, or I was supposed to go this way. But oh. Fuck, Jesus. That was way stronger, that vine, than I thought it was going to be. Oh. It was that. That there was a cross. Alright, straight into it. And oh, that was fun. Oh, no. I don't know how far we try and go through this, eh? There's just trees down everywhere now. Oh, you're not there. I'm thinking we just turn around, eh? Because I don't know if that's worth following that. I got it on camera, I think. Move that bag over a little. We'll try to empty it when we get back out to the thing.
I reckon I need to adjust the idle on this. Now that's actually worked with it.
Yeah, could do. Oh, first crash. That counts. Oh dear. Oh no, he's...
DRZ power, baby. Oh yeah, Suzuki, rock on.
Quarter.
Definite. Oh yeah. Same thing. It's roosting all over the place.